Chapter 2: The Northern Mountains. Learning objectives. We will learn about location and extent of mountains, the Himalayas mountain ranges, importance of the Himalayas. Location and extent. The northern Himalayas include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges of our country. The Himalayas are the highest and the longest mountain ranges of the world. It stretches over a distance of 2000 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast of India. There are several high peaks in the Himalayas, most of which remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayas mountain ranges. The Himalayas have three ranges which run almost parallel to one another. They are as follows: the Greater Himalayas or the Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal, the Lower Himalayas or the Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. The Greater Himalayas or the Himadri is the northernmost and longest range of mountains. It is also the highest of the three ranges. Some of the highest peaks of the world that remain covered with snow throughout the year lie in this range. The highest peak in this range is Mount Everest, 8,848 meters. It is also the highest peak in the world. It is situated in Nepal. Some other mountain peaks in the range are K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, 8,611 meters, Kanchenjunga, 8,597 meters, Dholagiri, 8,172 meters, Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meters, and Nanda Devi, 7,817 meters. At some places, huge blocks of snow move very slowly down the mountains. These blocks of snow are called glaciers. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. The Ganga River originates from the Gangotri Glacier, while the Yamuna River originates from the Yamunotri Glacier respectively. Let's know. Santosh Yadav of India is the first woman who climbed Mount Everest twice in 1992 and 1993. The Middle Himalayas or the Himachal. The Himachal is lower than the Himadri range and runs parallel to it. Valleys like the Kashmir Valley, the Kangra Valley, and the Kullu Valley lies between the mountains of this range. Experience heavy rainfall. These mountains gradually become low, and some of the famous hill stations of our country like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Shimla, Manali, Nainital, Almora, Dalhousie and Darjeeling etc. are located in this range. Thick forests of cone-shaped trees like pine, chir and deodar grow on the slopes of these mountains. The people living in these areas do terrace farming on mountain slopes. In this process, these slopes are cut to make large flat steps for the farmers. There are many fruit orchards where people grow fruits like apples, plums, peaches, apricots, pears, etc. There are some narrow passages between the two ranges and people use these passages to go from one range to another. These passages are called passes. Some important passes in the Himalayas are the Banihal Pass, the Rohtang Pass, the Nathula Pass, etc. The lower Himalayas or the Shivalik. The Shivalik is the lowest range. This area receives heavy rainfall and as such, the hill slopes are covered with thick forests. Many wild animals like tiger, snow leopard, elephant, bear, sambar and wild yak are found in these forests. The foothills of the Shivalik are called Tarai and the lower valleys are called Duns. Dehradun is one of the famous valleys of the Shivalik. The land in the Tarai region is flat and the people living here grow crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane. Rearing of cattle and growing fruits like apple, pear, plum, etc. are some of the professions people adopt here. There are many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in this region. The Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is one of the most famous national parks of our country. The mountain range situated near India's eastern border with Myanmar is called the Purvanchal Range. The hills found here are the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and the Lushai Hills. The states of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh are located here. Let's know. The 7 states of the Purvanchal regions are known as the 7 Sisters. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas have been very beneficial for our country. The main advantages are as under: land barrier. These high mountains act like a huge wall protecting the country from any external invasion from the northern sides. Climate barrier. These ranges act as a climatic barrier for our country. On one hand, it prevents the cold, icy winds coming from Siberia, and on the other hand, it prevents the monsoon clouds escaping out of the country and diverts them towards the northwest. This causes heavy rainfalls over the whole of northern India. Vegetation and wildlife. The thick forests in the Himalayan regions provide us many useful forest products like wood, medicinal herbs, etc. The forests are also homes of many wild animals like deer, leopards, elephants, bears, tigers, rhinoceros, etc. Rivers. Many big rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Brahmaputra, etc. originate from the Himalayas. They bring with them fertile soil and provide water for irrigation and other uses. Many big dams to generate hydroelectricity have been built across these rivers. Herbs. Many medicinal and other useful herbs are found in the forests of the Himalayas. Tea is grown on the slopes of the Himalayas. Darjeeling tea is famous all over the world for its flavor. Hill stations. Many famous hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Srinagar, Gulmarg, Kullu, Manali, Dharamshala, etc. of northern India, and Darjeeling, Shillong, Mirik, etc. of eastern India are situated on the Himalayas, where thousands of tourists from India and abroad come every summer. Adventurous sports. Adventurous people from all over the world visit the Himalayas every year for adventurous sports like climbing, trekking, etc. The Himalayan Mountaineering Institute in Darjeeling is a famous institute to encourage and promote the science and art of mountaineering amongst the people. Mind map. Northern Plains, Himalayan mountain ranges, the Greater Himalayas or the Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal, the Lower Himalayas or the Shivalik, importance of the Himalayas, land barrier, climate barrier, vegetation and wildlife, rivers, hill stations, adventurous sports.